In this video, we will prove that root 2 is an irrational number. What is a rational number? First of all, we'll try to understand what is a rational number and what is an irrational number. A rational number is a number which can be written in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers, right? And obviously q is not equal to 0. A rational number is a number which can be written in this form. X is a rational number if you can write x is equal to p upon q, where p and q are integers and p and q is not equal to 0. A number which is not a rational number, is an irrational number, right? Now this thing is important. If you have a rational number, for example, if I have 4 upon 6, obviously 4 is an integer and 6 is an integer, so 4 by 6, this is a rational number. I can write this thing is equal to 2 upon 3. I can cancel the common factor in numerator and denominator, and with this 2 and 3, they have GCD is equal to 1, right? So I can always, for example, I have 5 upon 15, I can write this thing is equal to 1 upon 3 with GCD of 1 and 3 is equal to 1. So we can always write a rational number in the form as p upon q with GCD of p and q is 1. This is just for simplicity. This thing is helpful in many situations. If we assume this thing, this is helpful in many situations, right? So now we are going to prove that root 2 is an irrational number. One beautiful thing in mathematics is you can prove things by contradiction. That is, for that you will assume the thing which is contradictory to the thing which you need to prove. For example, here I need to prove that root 2 is an irrational number. What I will assume is that root 2 is a rational number. So what I will assume is, assumption is, suppose root 2 is a rational number, right? So what does this mean? This means that root 2 can be written as p upon q with GCD of p and q is equal to 1. This is by definition of rational number. This implies that p is equal to root 2 times q. I can multiply this equation both sides with q because q is not equal to 0. You can move from this step to this step because q is not equal to 0, right? So it implies what? It implies p square is equal to 2q square, right? It implies that now p square is 2 times something, so it means that p square is an even number, right? Now product of two odd numbers is always an odd number. This thing must be clear to you. Product of two odd numbers is always an odd number, right? This you can check like this: 2n plus 1, 2m plus 1. These are two odd numbers. If I multiply this thing, I will get 4mn plus 2m plus 2n plus 1, which is equal to 2 times 2mn plus m plus n plus 1. This is 2 times some number plus 1, which is again an odd number. So product of two odd numbers is always an odd number. So if you are saying that p square is an even number, it implies that p has to be an even number. Because if p is an odd number, then p square is going to be an odd number, but you are saying that p square is an even number, so it means that p is an even number. So hence I can write p as some 2 times some integer, say z, right? So from equation 1 I have 2z square is equal to 2q square. So it implies that q square is equal to 2z square. This is 2 square is 4, 2 cancels. So now this implies again that q square is 2 times something, so q square is an even number, right, which implies q is an even number by same arguments, right. So now you have proved that p is even and q is even. So it means that 2 divides p and 2 divides q. It means that when we will take GCD of p and q, that is definitely going to be greater than or equal to 2, that is at least 2, which is a contradiction to the assumption. This is what we assumed, that root 2 is a rational number, so we can assume that it is of the form p upon q with GCD of p and q as 1. So hence it means that we reach at a contradiction, hence our assumption is wrong. So it means that whatever we assumed is actually wrong, and root 2 is an irrational number. It implies that our assumption is wrong, which implies that root 2 is an irrational number. That's it. This proves that root 2 is an irrational number.